Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to upload your music on Tunecore for free. Alright, it's very easy guys. As we know, Tunecore is a music distribution platform that allows you to distribute your music on over 150 music streaming platforms. Alright, that's very interesting guys. Now let me show you how you can upload your music on Tunecore so that you can get it across over 150 music streaming platform. The first step to take guys is to head to a browser and go to tunecore.com. Once you're on tunecore.com, you have to sign up for an account. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner and follow the process. It's very easy, but I have a video on how you can do that though. I'll put a link to the video in the description of this one. I have an account already, so I'm just going to click on login at the top right corner. After that, I will have to enter my Gmail address and password right here. So once I'm done with that, I'll click on login. Yeah, after logging in, you'll find this interface right here. You find the free option, and you find these other one right here, the rising artist, the breakout artist, and the professional plan. Alright, so what I'm just going to do right now is to click on the get started right here. Click on the get started. Now before you click on get started, I would like you to go through the packages. This is the package for this. It says kickstart your career with unlimited release to social platforms. So once you go for this one, it's going to help you distribute your music on all social platforms. Alright, and I think they're going to keep 80% of the revenue generated from the release. Now this other one, you can see the package right here, or this other one, but we're interested in the free plan, so I'm going to click on get started. Alright, so once you click on that, in case if you didn't find the available plan interface after logging in, you can as well just come right here on the home page and click on artist services at the top. And then after clicking on that, you can click on pricing at the top, and then just scroll down and you're going to find the new artist free, so click on get started. And now we can now click on add release right here at the top. Now select either single, album, or ringtone. I'll select single, and then I'll enter my single details. Alright, so I'll enter every details about my song, so I'm not going to go into much details. I'm not going to go into much detail because I have a video already on how to upload music on Tunecore already. So it's the same process. So I'll add the video at the end screen of this one. So click on the video and watch how you can upload a video on Tunecore. It's very easy. So I'm just going to stop right here for this one because it's the same process. Right, so this is how you can actually upload your music on Tunecore for free. Hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.